In this video, we will show how to export Plant 3D components properties as custom tabs in the application importing the IFC file. First, click the Settings button. The Settings dialog box appears. Check Use Customized Properties. Another tab appears where you can create, modify, or delete customized tab properties. Check Always Use Custom Tabs Properties if you want to use this option every time you run the export. You can uncheck it at any time. Add a new tab and give it a name which will be displayed in the IFC file imported program. Add the properties you want to attach to the tab name. You can add one or more properties at a time using the Control and Shift buttons. You can use the filter to narrow down the displayed property list. Use the Add button to add selected properties. You can repeat the same steps to add another tab, and so on. You can also modify and remove tabs. You need to save the current tab's information for later use or share it with another IFCout user.